Hello everyone, this is your buddy. Everyone loves brownie, but everybody has own preferences, like adding pecan nut, walnut in the brownie. I'm going to prepare chocolate fudge brownie. It's just beyond easy. Let's get started. So first, you have to preset your oven 350 degree Fahrenheit in Celsius 180 degree. Here we have the ingredients: butter unsalted, egg, all-purpose flour, chocolate chip semi-sweet, and one piece of orange, and sugar, and I have salt. I'm start making the chocolate brownie. For that, I'm melting the butter. So butter getting melt. The butter is melted. I'm adding the chocolate chip. So the chocolate will melt by butter heat. You can see the chocolate is start getting melt. So you can do this way, or you can melt this chocolate and butter in a double boiler. Our chocolate butter mix is ready. I'm keeping it on the side. Now I am going to whip the egg and sugar. Just mix the egg and sugar. Start whip until become light fluffy. I'm adding salt. So this salt give balance the sugar and give better taste to the chocolate brownie. Mix it nicely. Our egg mix is ready. So make sure when you check that sugar is diluted proper. Now I'm going to add the chocolate mix. Just add part by part. Chocolate is not too hot. Make sure the chocolate and butter mix is not too hot. Now you can see I mix the butter chocolate mix to the egg and sugar. So now I'm going to mix the flour. So when you add flour, make sure you sift, so any particle is there in the flour you can clean, and the brownie come very smooth also. Okay, so now I'm folding the all-purpose flour. Just mix it nicely. Our lovely chocolate brownie mix is getting ready. The final touch, I am having a orange, so I'm going to grate it the grater, so you get very fine zest from the orange. Orange goes very well with chocolate, so I love orange with the chocolate desserts, so I'm adding in the brownie also. So the orange I grated, so I'm mixing. Our chocolate brownie mix is ready. Now I'm spraying the baking pan. spray, you can apply butter. If you don't have oil spray, you can apply butter in the pan, then you can put a parchment paper on top. So this is easy to take it out. That's the reason I'm placing the parchment paper. Now I'm pouring the chocolate brownie mix. Look very shiny. So our mix is ready to bake. So this chocolate brownie doesn't have any baking powder or soda, and I didn't add any nuts in it. If you like to add nuts, you can add it, because a lot of people are allergic with the nuts, so I just make it plain. Walnut and pecan nut, it goes well with the chocolate brownie. So I'm placing the chocolate brownie inside the oven. So I'm going to bake this brownie 350 degree Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Our chocolate brownie is ready. So when the brownie is ready, you can check. Just insert the knife and come clean without sticking. So our beautiful brownie is ready. Let it cool down for an hour, then I'll cut and show you how it looks. Our beautiful lovely brownie is ready. So I rest for 1 hour after bake it in the oven. See, nice fudgy gooey chocolatey brownie is ready. Here I did a plating. So chocolate brownie with chocolate sauce and vanilla ice cream. It goes well. Kids, adults, everyone love the chocolate brownie. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.